All right. Nice green day. Went red, went south, and I done fought back, man. That's what the stock market does. It's like a roller coaster ride, man. Some days is up, or some moments of the day is up. Some moments go down and come right back up. It is what it is. Happy Monday to you, man. Another day, another week. I am back in town, back in Georgia from Las Vegas. So catching up with this jet lag thing, man. Just made it back in town like 9:47 a.m. Got my list together, but had to take a nap, boy. Had to lay down for a minute. Flight left last night, 11:25 Las Vegas time. I slept the whole 3.5 hour ride to New Orleans. 2 hour layover in New Orleans. I stayed up, man. Slept a little hour 45 minute flight from New Orleans to Savannah. Got back 9 o'clock. So been playing catch up, but I'm back out of town next week, Peoria, Arizona. But here for another 9 days, so let's get it in. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. Alright. Mighty funny what I see here. Let's check out MSTR. I've been giving y'all this play. It's up. Got a good day today. Doesn't mean nothing. This is a volatile stock. You know, it trades according with, it's the treasure of Bitcoin, up 14.37%. I'm still down in it today, but it's up. You can give me y'all this play according to what price you started your position. You can be up 14% in this today. Let's look at MSTY, doing options on it, meaning it's a good thing, meaning that we're going to get a good payout this week. How the option ETFs work is the higher the price of the ETF, the higher the price of the payout. So this is a good thing, definitely a good thing. This is needed. I knew this was going to fight back. We're going to still go look at Bitcoin to see what's going on. Like I say, I think this really can go back to the $27 range and the seed that if Bitcoin goes up. But I brought this for something to hold at least to 2030, to be honest. 2027 at the minimum, 2030. They're never really going to sell it because it just prints money for you. But I think this can come back up and climb out of. That's why I got on recurring investments, $2 a day, and days is down. I still buy it. BTC. Bitcoin at 60,000 last time I looked this morning. 59.60. So this going back up like it's trying to fight back. I can definitely tell right here. BTCC. See how this one trading. This was at like 12.28, went up to 12.42. It's at 12.48 now, which you can buy fractional shares on this, but you can't. I put a buy low order in at 12.48 earlier. 12.28. 12.48, still not a bad price. Leave that right there. Alright, so let's do like I do, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Alright, what stocks did my sell limit orders go off on? Newtek, NEWT. If y'all are beginning investors, just started following me, y'all probably don't have a position in this one. I've been sold, took profits like 3 to 6 months ago. Held on to some shares for the dividend. Better say, man, me going to get out of this play. I got other dividend stocks, like say recent. It's a banking stock, but it was another company before Newtek brought them out. It was like a BDC or something before a REIT, and it turned into like a banking financial company right now. Seem to be doing well. Dividend coming out, 19 cents for the quarter. Got a nice dividend yield, 5.17%. Can't beat it with a stick now. Got up to 1501. This is something I might just be swinging. The market cap not all that. I mean, 431 million. So I got out of it. But anyway, so that, here we go right here, $14.91, made $104.70. I sold it before again and made profit a while back, but I held it for a dividend. Also, so got a nice return on this one. Another one is DEA. It's just if I want to get a 5% return on the dividends, other plays I can do. I mean, with less risk, if you ask me. So I can get any kind of ETF that'll pay me that every week or every month. So just weighing out my options. Margin at like 5.05%. So all the earnings, the money I made from that sale goes back to pay back the margin. DEA is another one I sold. It's a REIT. They rent out properties to the government. Definitely a reliable dividend payer, 7.23%. Not bad. Like I said, that's not a reason. If I'm keeping this solely for the dividend, there's other places I can go to get a 7% yield. I can get a higher REIT, a BDC that pay like 10% or better and pays every month. Or got some that pay every quarter. So $24.98 is the high. It's something you can get back in, and I mean, it's not a bad start to have. I can't really say it is. I just got out of it for that reason. The reason I got too many REITs and BDCs. So, and I'm a risk taker. Anyway, sold those shares, made $65.39. So, that's that on that. Urgent buys, sales. That's the sales. Urgent buys, ACHR, Arca Aviation, definitely came down today. Came down to like 462. You know, I brought that dip. I brought 150 shares at 471. Brought 25 at 470 and some more at 473. Got down to 461 today. Gonna put a buy limit order at that price when this squeeze. Probably gonna sell all these shares, put a sell limit order in at 503. Something to just quick sell it. 4.62. So what I want to do, I'm going to set a buy sell limit order at 503. Go make like 30-40 cents a share off like over 200 shares. But like I say, I'm doing it to make a quick profit, swing it real quick and lower my average cost. Average cost now is at 539. Definitely down. So that's the plan with ACHR. I think any else urgent buys went on through. Hold on, one more I did sell today. ChargePoint, CHPT. Last week I had a buy limit order went off. I brought some shares at 528. Brought like 95 shares. Could have and should have held out. You know, hindsight is 2020. At 610 now. At the time when I put the sell limit in, this from last week. The high, it was at 577. I just wanted to buy it and sell it quick. Less risk, make a couple dollars and lower my average cost. I think I made like $70 on the play. We can keep the rest for the long haul. 95 shares right here. Of course, it's going to say I lost because I'm actually down. Like I said, I brought 95 shares at 528. Sold them at 577. So, you know, that's profit. But how they do it here going to show that I'm down. But I still got the same shares I had before I brought the 95 shares. Still got the same amount of shares. I think it's like 300 something shares. I still got 395 shares. I just brought 95 and sold them. Still got the same amount of shares. Just wanted to lower my average cost and make a couple dollars. So, all right, let's get the trade in. I hope go watch my Cash App video. The short, it's only like it's under 3 minutes. Gonna give you some plays that you're not gonna get on this list here. That's why I do it separately, because I got some holdings in there that I don't have in here. We'll check that out. We did DEA, Newtek, ChargePoint, ARCA. We're gonna go NVDA, NVIDIA. Got down to like 189-ish. I brought some at 190 something. I brought like $50 extra today. Position right now, I got 8.6 shares at 210. Definitely gonna be buying it up at these prices. And especially you catch around the 190-ish range. Got NVDY down to 11.93. Got this on $2 a day recurring. Letting this just do its thing. See, 12.90, 11.93. This probably can come down some more if NVIDIA does. SLVO options on silver. SLVO. Precious metals getting whooped right now. Crude oil getting whooped. Commodities, guess what they call it? So went and brought $20 worth of this. This pays out every week, every month. Got this on $1 a day recurring for now. And I actually need to edit that because now it's down. So let me edit this. Show you how to edit your investments. Edit investment. Hit the dollar thing. Gonna go in at $2. There we go. Edit investment. There you go. And it's already edited. Tomorrow gonna take $2 out. Go with GLDI. I also put this on $2. Thing I got on $1. I went and brought $20 worth of this. At 147.65. Need to lower my average cost. Got that one on $2 already. Thought I didn't. USOI. Options on oil. All these pay out every month. 43.74. Got this on $1 a day also. Yeah, buying up that cash flow, man. We're gonna go with MSFT. Microsoft. They're down like 372-ish today. Oh, 368. Definitely got to scoop up some of this. Better buy it now while it's down and while it's cheap. $25 more Microsoft. Before this try to go back up to the $400 range. Now we'll get you some MSFO with that. We got down to 1043, 1038 is that. $10 worth of MSFO. Take a LFT. Just had the day the ex-dividend date, or the 30th is. So they actually is the ex-dividend date. So whatever stocks you have or shares you have by the end of the day will get recorded for you to get the dividend. LFT, Lumen Finance. Got a quarterly dividend, not a monthly or weekly payout. I put a buy limit order at 98 cents. I got a sell limit order in at 110 for 545 shares. Shares I brought at 99 to $103 range. Quick little swing trade, 17.82% yield. If I'm not mistaken, it's paying like 4 cents a share a month. I mean, a quarter for the dividend. We did MSTR, MSTY. To go with Meta, see if Meta came back down. So I can buy some of this. I brought this today at like 566. It's at 565, still holding. I did get some of this today. Let's go check out FBY. This should be knocking at the $9 door mark. Yep, $8.98. Got this on $2 a day recurring. Catch this one is down. Go on to the next one. Brought this in my other portfolio, Netflix. 74.5. Is that 74.2? I'm at 77. Give me a little fractional share of that. Lower my average cost and accumulate. While it's down. Nike. I'm at 40.77. It's at 41.60. I'm thinking about grabbing me a couple shares. What's my position? I'm gonna get 10 at this price. See if I can flip them real quick. Sell them at like 46. I risk it, I get 5. Number 5, go get you some 5. I don't have it in this portfolio. WMT, Walmart. 114.88. This was at. Definitely getting this at 114.37. Every time Walmart pulled back, I got to buy that. 52-week high like 136. That's on the dollar day recurring. 135.16 is the high. All right, we'll go check out traps. We can get on out of here. Nice, decent day today. Not too bad. And they say not too shabby. Thing had a good day today too. Comcast, CMCSA got up to like $29. Came back down to about 25. It was up like 11% today. They doing a merger. No, they dividing the company into two. I was up, but I said I'll hold this nice dividend stock to have 5.7%. Man, it's reliable, and they make dividend hikes. This got up to 29.66 today. 52 highs 35.66. That's why I'm holding it. I said I'd take that 34 for it. They're gonna have to have some good earnings or something for that to happen. Medifast got down to 10.34. It's another one I'm trying to hit a swing trade on. 11.85. Sell order in at 13.41. 52 week highs 15.46. Talisman getting whooped. Telecommunication company. I say stay out of this one if you're not in it. Throw some extra love at it at this price. What GSBD doing since I sold it? I figure every time I sell something, they want to go on a run. I sold it at 9.46, but that's how it worked with me. As soon as I wanted to get rid of something, they want to go up, but that's part of the game. I did it for a quick swing trade anyway, so Not mad at what I did, because if it went the opposite way, I'd be feeling some kind of way. Y Mag still down, getting whooped. What I got Y Mag on recurring. Had that on recurring $2 a day. Let's look at Y Max. Need to buy some shares, but that's still under the $8 mark. SCHD. Another one I have to buy the dip on since we here. Especially you can catch this at 32 and under. You can buy that in my other portfolio. I'm surprised Microsoft down though. I think I might just get some more Microsoft at that price. I'm loving that price. And that Nvidia at 190 is not bad neither. I like that 368 price. Yep. But that's it, y'all. Stay safe. Signing off. Go get your money.